So I'm just doing the wiring for the alternator. It's gonna come up over here, down there, behind, and then come over to the stud. Now this is the Moroso bulkhead. There was already a hole here in my firewall, so I was like, I don't want to drill another one. Might as well use that one. But you want to stay away from bumps like this, because then it won't sit flush. I mean, it's not that serious, but still, if you don't have to, then don't. I would have put it there, but it's like way up, and the AC box is right there anyway. So I just have this up here to mock up for the starter. There's that wire for the alternator. I'll show you once it's back together. Well, I'm gonna show you how I put it together. Basically, you're just using this. It's a hydraulic crimper. It's kind of cumbersome to hold. It's best if you hold this in a vise. You could use your like they're like the clamps that you use to keep these from getting nicked up. If you use those, you can put those in a vise and the handle will fit in there, and then that way you can do it with one hand, because it sucks, but my vise is like not mounted on the ground. I mean, mounted on a table, it's like on the ground. So yeah, just all I did was just hold it and then pumped it. I'll show you again once it's done. All right, so I forgot to show you guys this in the last one, but I'm just making the alternator wire. This is what I use to crimp the 0 gauge or 1/0 cable. It's just a hydraulic crimper. I only got one hand, so I'm trying to untighten that. So if I was to cut this open, it'd be solid. It'd be fused together. So yep, back to it. So simple. It's not, you know, you gotta overthink the shit. This shit is just angled because the lugs are huge. They fit in like at a cross pattern. So this one's got to be angled so this can go down to the starter. And then I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do that, because the headers are super tight. There's a starter lug. I think I'm gonna run it up, and then like, so I'll run it from the stud up to like that line, and then run it up along that all the way up. And then I'll just heat wrap it with some of the DEI stuff. Yep. Get back to it when I get the starter wired.